Right, 51. The given chart shows the number of students in 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th class who got first class, second and failed in the final exam. Right, which class has the highest number of students who passed? It is about only number of students, not percentage. So now, first and second class students in fourth class, how many are there? 54. Failed candidates are 6. Next, sixth class, 55. Failed 5. Next, 42 plus 12, 54. Failed 6. Next, 50. Failed 10. Right. It is about number of students who passed. Highest number of students passed in which class? Sixth class. What is the pass percentage of sixth class? Right. In sixth class, 55 students passed. Out of total 60. That is 11 out of 12 times, right? 11 out of 12 into 100. Answer should be more than 90. Come on. More than 90, there is only one option. Matladru. Right. Which class has the least number of students who passed? The last one. Which is that? Come on. 8th class. What is the pass percentage of 7th class? 54 passed. Out of total 60. That is 9 out of 10, right? 9 out of 10 in the sense 90%. In a class of 50 students, 40% are girls. Then remaining 60 are boys. So boys to girls ratio 3:2. 60% boys, 20% girls. Average weight of the class is 52. Average weight of girls is 40. Boys average we don't know. Girls average given as 40. Class average mentioned as 52. When you go for allegation, you know that you will get difference ratio between boys and girls. That is 3:2. 3 parts and then 2 parts. Correct? 52 and 40 difference. If 3 parts is 12, 2 parts is equal to 8. Then this number must be more than 52 by 8, right? And it must be 60. Next, difference between compound interest and simple interest on X rupees at 4% per annum for 2 years is 24. So 24 rupees is difference between simple and compound. For how many years? 2 years. Rate of interest per annum? 4. That is X square by 100%, right? Come on. What is X value? Rate of interest per annum 4. 4 square. 16 by 100. That is 0.16. Percentage in the sense into 100, right? Come on. So can I write numerator as 2400 and denominator as 0.16? Right, 16, 150, 150 into 100, 15,000 answer? Matladali. 57. Efficiencies of ABC are in the ratio 4:6:5 working together. They can complete the task in 12 days. So all working together can do 15 units of work. Like that they need 12 days to complete the work. This is total work. And in how many days B can complete 10% of the work? 10% of the work in the sense 1 by 10 only. And who should complete? B. B per day can do 6 units only. Units cancel. 6 2 times. Numerator 30. Denominator 10. 30 by 10. Answer 3 days. An article was sold for 12.24 after 2 successive discounts of 15% and then 25%. What is the market price of the article? Okay. Right. You can start with 100% onwards. If you give first discount 15%, it becomes 85. Upon this again you have to calculate 25%, which takes time. So I don't want to do this method. Let me take my market price as X. 15% discount is given. Then it becomes 85 by 100 only. And 25% discount is given. Then value becomes 75%. Can I write it as 3 by 4? Come on. And which is equal to 1224. Are you done with this? Right, now X value Okay, cancellation. 3, 4, 0, 8. Correct? Then x is equal to 408 into 100 into 4. I'll write it as 400 divided by 85. This is 517 times, right? 17 5 times. 17 2s 34. 68 we have again 4 times. 80 times. 24 into 80. 24 10 times. Otherwise you can go for last digit verification now. You have 0 in 80, you'll get 0. Next, 4 into 8 ends with, come on, answer must end with 20. There is only one option. Two articles are sold for 2440. On one, the seller lost 20%, on the other he gained 25%. Selling price is same. On one there is a loss of 20%, another profit of 22%. So will this question takes time or not? Yes, it takes time, because cost price of first item is equal to 2440. There is 20% loss. Selling price is 80%. This is 1% value. Cost price is equal to into 100. Next again 2440. Now 22% profit is made. Selling price is 122%. Into 100 will give you cost price. Are you getting? You have to complete this. Then you will get total cost price. Here it is 20 times. 0 0 cancel. 8 3 times. 0.5. So here cost price is 3050. Cost price of the second item 5000, 2000. Total cost price 5050. Total selling price, matladru. Each item is sold for 2440, right? Then total selling price 4880. Difference is loss only. How much loss is made? 170 loss upon 5050 percentage into 100. This we have to calculate. What is 1% of the denominator? 50.5. 3% is 151.5 only. To this we have to add again 18.5. This would be approximate again 3.03%. Right. So answer would be approximately 3.3. Profit or loss? Loss. First option answer. So this is the simplification required. Next. Walking at 4/5 of his usual speed. 4/5 in the sense, did he increase the speed or decrease the speed? 4/5 తో వెళ్తున్నాడు అంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాడా డిక్రీజ్ చేశాడా? డిక్రీజ్. ఎంత? 1/5. For always decrease of 1/5, there must be increase of 1/4 only. Inversely proportional rule, right? So speed తగ్గింది కాబట్టి టైం పెరగాలి. టైం increased by 1/4. Next, a person reaches his office 20 minutes late than the usual time. Ante 1/4 of the time is equal to 12 minutes anena. Time is equal to 48 minutes. So usual time to reach the office is 48 minutes. Fourth option answer. Otherwise, denominator 4/5 is there. What is denominator? So initial speed is 5 parts and now the speed is 4 parts. If speed ratio is 5:4, time ratio becomes 4:5. 4 parts becomes 5 parts, increased by 1 part, which is equal to 12 minutes. And we were asked to calculate original time, that is equal to 4 parts, which is 48 minutes. The price of sugar increased by 25%. A person wants to increase his expenditure by 16% only. When price increases by 25%, it becomes 125% only. But a person can increase his expenditure by 16%, then value becomes 116. Now you should make 125 to 116. So how much decrease should happen? 9. From 125 percentage into 100. 25 5 times 4 times 36 by 5. 7 point something only. Second option. The area of the four walls of a room of length 12 meters, breadth 10, and then height. What is the area of the four walls of the room? 2 height into L plus B. Correct. Come on. Right. 2 into 9 into L plus B, that is 22. 18 into 22. Answer must end with 6. Otherwise, when you see 2H into L plus B, height is 9, which is a 9 multiple. Answer must be 9 multiple. When you go there, options, there is only one 9 multiple available. Second option, final answer. Okay. AB can do a piece of work together in 25 days. That means A should work for 25 days. B should work for 25 days. They start together, but A has to leave 5 days before the work finally got over. That means both started. A is not there till the end. For how many days A missed? 5 days. If B finishes the remaining work in 16 days, then how long will B take to complete the work separately? Okay. They already started work, and when did A left? 5 days before, right? If A is there for 5 more days, both AB together can complete the work in how many days? Amma? 5 days. They already started the work. They have done some work. At this particular place, A is going to leave. If A is still there, A and B together can fill the total work in how many more days? So these 5 days, both A and B, both supposed to complete. Am I right? At this point, what happened? A left. So remaining work is done by B in how many more days? Come on. But he is supposed to work for how many days? 5 days. But he completed remaining work in how many days? That means B is working for how many extra days? Come on. Why is B working for 11 days extra? What is the reason for doing 11 days extra work for B? Because A is not complete. A is not there till the end of the work. Am I right? So A's how many days work is equal to B's 11 days work? The same work, if B is there, he would do in 5 days. Am I right? Right. Now your question is to identify in how many days both AB together complete the total work. Total work ఎన్ని days లో అంటున్నారు. అంతేనా? మీకు తెలిసిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రకారం A and B both together can complete the work in how many days? Come on. That means A should work for 25 days. B also should work for 25 days. So 25 days of A's work and 25 days of B's work. This is what the total work. Agreed or not? With this logic, I will extend it to 25 days of A's work is equal to how many days of B's work? 5 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ అయిందమ్మా 25కి? మరి ఇక్కడ కూడా 5 టైమ్స్ అవ్వాల్సిందేగా. 25 days of A's work is equal to 55 days of B's work. So in place of 25 days of A work, can I write it as 55 days of B's work and along with 25 more days of B's work? Then together it is equal to 80 days of B's work. So B alone can complete the work in 80 days. దీన్ని మనం టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ కాన్సెప్ట్లో కాకుండా లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ టైప్లో కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తున్నాం, లాజిక్ బేస్డ్. ఓవర్. Next. Right, 2 cos square theta. Take these two values to left hand side. 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Correct? It is in the form of ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 only. Quadratic equation form. Correct? Right. So product must be equal to 2. Sum must be equal to minus 3. So I can choose my combination as minus 2 minus 1. So I'll write it as minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0, and before that we have cos square theta. Got the point? Then if you take 2 cos theta common, here you get cos theta minus 1 minus 1 common, cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Correct? So if you take cos theta minus 1 common, here you will get 2 cos theta minus 1 into cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Agreed? From that cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, or it may be 1. 1 by 2 comes to picture when you have 60 degrees angle. 1 comes to picture if you have 0 degrees. So 60 degrees, 0 degrees answer, third option. Over. Matladali. Right, so come on, this one. Divided by 3 into 3 gets cancelled. 7 plus 6, 13. 18 minus 13, 5. Second option. Coefficient of x. If you identify it as a minus b whole cube, x is there for a, right? Come on. Now, when you are looking for coefficient of x in a plus b whole cube form, you are supposed to consider 3ab square. Only in that particular term you will get x value. Correct? So that I'll write it as 3 into a value, 3x into b square minus 4 whole square, 16. Correct? 3 into 3, 9 into 16, 144. Plus 144 or minus 144? Plus 144 only. B value is negative, b square becomes positive, a value is positive, all positive numbers only. Ardhamainda? Fourth option answer. If the given number is divisible by 11, the smallest value of x. Right, 11 multiplication. Difference of alternative number sum. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 4, 19. Now, other alternative, 6 plus x plus 1, that is 7 plus x. We were asked to calculate the value of x, right? Smallest value. Am I right? That means this difference must be maximum difference only. If it has to be 11 multiple, difference of alternative number sum must be either 0 or 11 multiple. Nearest number which is close to 19 and 11 multiple is 11 only. From 19, how much you should subtract to make it 11? 8. That means this value must be equal to 8. If 7 plus x is equal to 8, x is equal to 1 only. Right. So to the denominator value, I'll try to add 2 cos square plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. I am adding the same number and subtracting the same value. Okay na? Come on. Sin power 4 theta, I'll write it as sin square theta whole square. Cos power 4 theta, I'll write it as cos square theta to the power of 2. One value is a, other value is b. A square plus b square, this value 2ab, that is a plus b whole square only. A value sin square theta, b value cos square theta a plus b whole square. Still what is left? Minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, correct? Minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This value is in denominator. What is there in the numerator? 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 2, correct? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 square is 1, right? Whatever the numerator we have, the same denominator only we have. This gets cancelled. That means what is the value? 1 minus 2. Answer minus 1. Over. Easy kada. Sin 60 degrees. Root 3 by 2. Cos 60. 1 by 2 minus 1. If you take 2 common, you get numerator root 3 plus 1 minus 2 by 2, which is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2. First option. In triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle in which PS is perpendicular to QR. QR is equal to 16 centimeters. PS is equal to 6 centimeters. Then the length of PQ is equal to PQ, right? PQ and adikindi, right? Isosceles triangle in the sense that is two sides are equal, right? PS is perpendicular to QR. QR value is equal to how much is mentioned? Come on. If it is 16, that will be equally divided, right? 8 and 8. PS value mentioned as 6. If here the right angle, then the other side also there will be right angle. Then if you consider PSQ triangle, which is a right angle triangle, 6, 8. What would be the hypotenuse? 10. PQ is equal to 10. Second option. Okay, now. Next, in the given figure, MP is a tangent. This one is a tangent to the circle with center A. And here it is a right angle. Are you able to understand? NQ is a tangent. Here this is a tangent with center B. MP is equal to 24. NQ is equal to 12. PA is equal to 25. BQ is equal to 13. Then AB value. Okay. That means distance between centers, right? Or I can even say sum of radius of both the circles. Come on. Right. Now let me consider this particular triangle. PMA. Here it is a right angle triangle. Correct? Correct. PA is mentioned as, oh sorry, PA. PA is equal to 25. Next, PM is equal to 24. Then MA is equal to 7. Correct? MA in the sense this is R1, right? Come on. So A to center radius of first circle is equal to 7. Next, let me take the other triangle. Right angle side, here it is NQB. Now it is also mentioned as NQ is equal to 12, opposite side. Next, BQ is equal to 13. Then NB is equal to, come on, 5. NB in the sense that is radius of the second circle only. So which is equal to 5. A to B distance in the sense 7 plus 5, that is 12 only. Yes. Over. Right, we were asked to calculate angle at BAC, that is here the angle, right. This is straight line. Exterior angle for C is 125 only. Come on. Then here the angle must be equal to 55 degrees. Already we have 67 plus 55. that is equal to 122 degrees only, then angle at A must be equal to 58 degrees, then only sum becomes 180 degrees. Yes. Find the value of P, right? P x square, observe x and then its coefficient. X square we have, correct? Right hand side, it is also A plus B whole cube or A minus B whole cube form only. In which term you get x square? If it is A minus B whole cube, in which term you will get x square coefficient? 3ab square, correct? Right, so that is 3 into A value, 2 into B value, minus 5x whole square, correct? Minus square, that becomes positive only. Matladali. 5 square, 25 into 2, 50 into 3, 150 x square. So what is coefficient of x square? 152nd. You don't have to expand complete A minus B whole cube. Just observe in which term you get x square, that's all. Okay na? ఇప్పుడు రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఇది కాకుండా దీంతో పాటు ఇంకోటి కూడా ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనకు చేయాలి మళ్ళీ. అర్థమైందా? If the radius of the circle is decreased by 31%, then total decrease in the area of the circle is given as, okay, right, you can go for x plus y minus xy by 100 only. This is something similar to successive discount. But here area of the circle, area in the sense is it 2D or 3D? Come on. Formula ఏంటమ్మా? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్. పై కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా, వదిలేయండి. వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి? ఆర్. ఎక్స్పోనెంట్లో ఏముంది? 2 ఉంది. అంటే ఇది 2Dనా 3Dనా? 2D. అంటే 2 టైమ్స్ వేస్తున్నామనే కదా. సింగిల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ చేంజింగ్ ఫర్ 2 టైమ్స్. అండ్ దే సెడ్ డిక్రీజ్. డిక్రీజ్ అనేది మనం ఏ చాప్టర్లో ఎక్కడ రిలేట్ చేయొచ్చు? ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్లో డిస్కౌంట్ దగ్గర కోరిలేట్ చేయొచ్చు, అవునా? సో 2 టైమ్స్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సక్సెసివ్ డిస్కౌంట్ అనేగా మనం అనేది. సో వాట్ డు వి యూజ్ దేర్? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై మైనస్ xy by 100. బట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ అండ్ వై వాల్యూ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. అర్థమైందా? రైట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ 31 ప్లస్ 31 మైనస్ 31 స్క్వేర్ 961 by 100. అర్థమవుతుందా? 62 మైనస్ 9.61. 10 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి 0.39 యాడ్ చేయండి. 10 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి 0.39 యాడ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. In a circle with center O, ACBO is a parallelogram where C is a midpoint on the minor arc AB. Adi R kaadu, arc. There is a circle with center O. AB, there are 2 points. Between AB, midpoint is C. And they even mentioned that AOBC is a parallelogram. Parallelogram ante opposite angles must be same. Opposite angles. Antena? Angle at A must be equal to angle at B. Angle at C must be equal to angle at O. Okay na? Matladali. Right. Ippudu chudandi. AO is a radius. OB is also radius. OC is also radius. Come on. Now, if you have taken this particular triangle, these 2 sides are equal. Come on. Then angle at A and angle at C both must be equal. Matladali. Now let me consider triangle OCB, this particular triangle. Okay, come on. Here also OC and OB both are equal. then angle at C and angle at B both must be equal. Come on. Overall, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. That means opposite angles must be same. Agreed? Now, we have already considered angle at A, if it is x degrees, angle at B also must be x degrees. Then angle at C for for OCB triangle, this is also x only. For triangle AOC, angle at C also must be equal to x only. Come on. Then other two angles also must be 2x, right? Because angle at C is equal to 2x. Then other angles also must be equal to 2x. Correct. Now in a quadrilateral, total, how many, sum of all the angles is equal to 6x. Correct. Come on. Which is equal to 360 degrees. Then x is equal to 60 degrees. Now what is your question? The measure of AOB. AOB angle. Come on. 2x. Then 2x is equal to 120 degrees. That's all. Over. Done everybody?